on the air as we continue our tour around the minor league. Today, Game 3 of this 4-game series between the Nashville Sounds and the Colorado Springs Sky Sox. Nate Fryman will stand in, hoping for a reversal of fortune here as he's seen that average drop precipitously these past 10 ball games. Now here's the pitch. Hit hard on the ground to short. Throw to first in plenty of time, and the side is retired. So not much happening here in the top half of the first. So it's on to the bottom of inning number 1, no score. Catfish Brown will stand in. He comes off an 0 for 4 in last night's ball game.
Shortstop, Catfish Brown. Nobody out here, nobody.
Now the first pitch. In there, 0-1.
Just no chance to pull the trigger on that one. It just got on him too fast.
Hey, plays the one. Here we go.
Hey, let her rip. What time?
Hey, plays it first. Plays it first.
Here's the pitch.
Hey, wait for a good one.
And he just gets a piece there as this is chopped foul.
Hey, come on now.
The pitch. Lifted down the line in right and back out of play. Count holds it 0-2.
Hey, just zoom in. Zoom yourself. Let's go.
Another 0-2 coming. And did he hold up in time? A look down, and no, he went around. It's strike 3.
Oh, he has just been a man among boys out there this year. I got a feeling you're not going to be seeing this guy.
Empty, 1 man out. Now another 0-2. Oh, now this is hit hard to the right side, but caught out.